up and very low productivity combined with near permanent industrial unrest and Italy's high inflation rates kept Alfa Romeo firmly in the red. Other creative measures were attempted to shore up Alfa, including an ultimately unsuccessful joint venture with Nissan, endorsed by Alfa's then President Ettore Massari and Prime Minister Francesco Cossiga. By 1986, Iri was suffered heavy losses with Alfa Romeo having not been profitable for the last 13 years, and IRI President Romano Prodi put Alfa Romeo up for sale. Finmeccanica, the mechanical holding arm of IRI and its predecessors, owned Alfa Romeo since 1932. Prodi first approached fellow Italian manufacturer Fiat, which offered to start a joint venture with Alfa. Fiat overtake. Fiat withdrew its plans for a joint venture with Alfa Romeo when Ford put it an offer to acquire part of Alfa Romeo and restructure the company. While increasing its stake over time, however, Fiat closed to put in a bid to acquire the entirety of Alfa Romeo and offer job guarantees to Italian workers, an offer that Ford was unwilling to match. It did not hurt any of the parties involved that an acquisition by Fiat would keep Alfa Romeo in Italian hands. In 1986, the deal was concluded with Alfa Romeo merged with traditional rival Lancia into Fiat's Alfa Lancia Industriale. Already in 1981, Alfa Romeo's then President Ettore Massari had stated that Alfa would never use Fiat engines, the engines being to a large extent Alfa Romeo's identity, but would be happy to cooperate fully with everything else. Models produced from the 1980s onwards combined Alfa's traditional virtues of an avant-garde styling and sporting panique with the economic benefits of product rationalization, and include a GTA version of the 147 hatchback, the Guajiro designed Brera, and a high-performance exotic called the 8C Competizione. In 2005, Maserati was bought back from Ferrari and was now under Fiat's full control. The Fiat Group then created a sports and luxury division from Maserati and Alfa Romeo. There is a planned strategic relationship between these two engines, platforms, and possibly dealers are shared. In the beginning of 2007, Fiat Auto was reorganized and 4 new automobiles companies were created: Fiat Automobiles, Alfa Romeo Automobiles, Lancia Automobiles, and Fiat Light Commercial Vehicles. Their companies are fully owned by Fiat Group Automobiles from 2007, PSA Italy. On 24 June 2010, Alfa Romeo celebrated 100 years from its foundation. Next part, recent developments. Alfa Romeo has been suffering from failing sales. In 2010, it sold a total of about 112,000 units, which has significantly lower than Fiat CEO Marcinez global sales target of 300,000. The company set about to achieve a sales target of 170,000 units in 2011, including 100,000 Giulietta and 60,000 Mito models, but it actually sold 130,000 units that year. Its medium-term target was 500,000 units by 2014, including 85,000 from the North American market. In 1217, Alfa Romeo increased production by 62%, building a total of 150,722 vehicles at the company's three factories. In spite of falling sales, Alfa Romeo CEO Jean-Philippe Imperator announced in 2021 that a new model will be launched every year between 2022 and 2026, starting with the much delayed tunnel with full electrification of new models from 2027. Return to North America. Alfa Romeo was imported to the United States by Max Hoffman from the mid-1950s. Guala Spider was developed on the request of Max Hoffman, who proposed an open-top version of the Gualetta. In 1961, Alfa Romeo started exporting cars to the United States throughout its own dealer network. In 1995, Alfa Romeo ceased exporting cars to the United States, in the last model sold in the EZ market being the 164 sedan. In May 2006, Alfa Romeo made its return to the US market, as announced by Fiat CEO Sergio Marchionne after a series of rumors. North America sales resumed in October 2008 with the launch of the limited production 8C Competizione Coupe, with Alfa Romeo models being imported by Fiat's US subsidiary Chrysler. Also in 2008, Alfa Romeo and Chrysler were reported to be in discussions over the possibility of producing Alfa Romeo cars in some Chrysler manufacturing plants that had shut down due to the company group's restructure and cost cutting. Instead, as reported by the Wall Street Journal, in November 2008, Chrysler discontinued several Dodge and Jeep models while phasing in Alfa Romeo ones and the new Fiat 500. The new significant milestones in Alfa Romeo North America return occurred in 2014 with the launch of the more affordable two-seater 4C Coupe. That year, Fiat Group Automobiles confirmed that its original agreement with Mazda Motor Corporation for the speculated manufacturing of a new Alfa Romeo Spider based on the Mazda MX-5 had been terminated mutually in December 2014. The proposed model for this joint venture becomes the Fiat 124 convertible, launched in 2015. In 2015, Alfa Romeo's return to this market was further bolstered by the automaker's display of the new Giulia at the Los Angeles Auto Show. In February 2017, Chrysler featured its Alfa Romeo brands exclusively in 3 ads during Super Bowl. Alfa Romeo's US importer, FCA US LLC, imports the 4C, Guala and Stelvio. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.